Tonight we're here in Melville, New York for our client PSE&G Long Island. We're at their 24/7 call center. Tonight we're removing temporary units for heating and cooling that we installed back in June for them after 2 units failed. We were able to mobilize within 24 hours and provide these temporary units to them alongside our partners Sunbelt. Units are 2 60-ton units that we rigged down. They've been here about 8 months. The new units are finally in, and we're here tonight rigging the old units off.